Hey everybody, welcome back. So we have been jumping around here between projects, which has been a little nerve-wracking, trying to jump between the sunroom addition that I'm trying to get wrapped up. That's really close to being done. Trying to get some stuff done at Matt's, and then work on this basement project. So today is probably gonna be a little bit of a shorter video. We're just going to kind of walk through what's been done since the last time we did the taping and take a look at that, and then where we're at in the progress of the basement finish, and go from there. So let's see what's happened since the last time we were here. All right, it's been a little while since we've been here on the basement finish. In the middle of trimming since the last time we were here. We wrapped up all the mudding and taping. The homeowners did all of the painting. Electricians came back and got all their lights in, got all of their outlets installed. I've started doing the trim work, getting that done. Got the doors up, HVAC, got in here, got all of their grills in. So we got these windows out, trimmed out. So what I did on these windows here, just kind of so I built a plywood box and then pre-trimmed them. So I just slid that all in as one unit. Makes it really nice to go ahead and do these and do them down on the bench and then just slide them to place and pin them. Makes it so much easier to do. We did do slab doors, that's what's in the rest of the house. So I still haven't done hardware, but the homeowners are going to come in. These are all primed already, but they're going to come back and trim out these paint these doors. And then what I've been working on is these got to be built with Mosaic as a design software, and then cut them out on the Yeti. One of these days I've got some more cabinets that I got to build that I'll go ahead and go through the design process of Mosaic and how it gets directly into the to the Yeti. And basically once I hit go, these pieces are basically ready to assemble. It's all 3/4 inch maple plywood. It's sandable, and then I put edge banding on with everything. So a couple of things we had to do is this is part of what drove this thing. Is we've got the water meter, and then underneath that hardware is a clean out that we needed to cover up. So there, on this, and this, there's going to be doors. There'll be two doors. So there'll be 4 doors in the bottom, and the uppers will stay open as open shelves. I still, on the top, I've got a little flat board to go around and trim that out. And then, see if I get this to work. I don't know, let's see. There we go. So this is the other thing we did, is they ordered this electric fireplace, and it's a small heater too. We had a dedicated circuit brought in for that. And then I built an enclosure that hangs into, and then we decided they actually just picked up this piece of countertop from IKEA, and then we'll put that on. And then above here, we still have to mount the TV. That'll be one of the things doing very shortly. And then back in this area, they got a little bit of floor. They had them in the floor a little bit. This will be like a dry bar area, and I think they've got some cabinetry and a little refrigerator going back in there. So I don't know, they're handling that portion of it. I don't remember exactly what they're doing. Here we've got the vanity covered up. And so my next thing is I've got this main room basically done, with the exception of a couple of odds and ends, is I'm gonna move into the bathroom. And the tilers got back and set the base. I went ahead and put a floor leveler because we had probably about a 1/2 inch swale. This is where that old floor drain used to be. So we did some floor leveler in there to kind of even it all out. And then we've got the cement board back here. And then I have them go ahead and they put it on, but this is a product called Red Guard. It's kind of like a liquid latex type thing that you roll on or brush on and it dries, and it's you can see actually where it's light colored in there. They just did the second coat. So this will be impervious to water once it's done in. We'll peel this tape back, and that's going to be my tile line. This is the tile we're putting on here. It is a porcelain 1 foot by 2 foot. So that'll be my next thing. Probably try to get in here and show how I lay out, and I haven't quite decided how this is going to go in here, and we haven't decided on grout lines and the exact pattern of that, but so this is ready to go. That'll be my next project. And then if we come back in here, staircase is in. I still need to get a handrail put in here. I gotta just pick that up and get that installed. We got the toilet in here. They put a nice accent wall as you come into, this is that bedroom. And we've got cardboard in here. This is kind of our, everything's kind of stashed in this room. This is the glass for the shower. So I want to get that done so that I can get into this room and get that window trimmed out, get these, the baseboard in here. And then I gotta build the extension jams. So they're gonna be like 12-inch extension jams, and that'll get similar to I did that other one where I built a box, trim it, and then just slide it into place. So, and then around in here we've got, again, just slab doors. One of the things they did, and I thought it was a really nice feature, is they put in a motion sensing light. So we've got a light up in there that comes on motion. So I think that's a great little feature. We'll put some shelf rods in here, or actually just do the wire shelving and put that in. And yeah. So that is about where we're at this point in time. Still have to put the hardware on the doors and do that. I do like that fireplace. It's a nice little addition. Yeah, that's gonna look nice. I still have to order the doors for the cabinets. I don't build those. I've got a place here locally that I can order those out, and it takes about a week and a half to get them, but I can't even hardly buy the materials, but they can give me a finished product that has got all of the, basically I got to put hinges on it and it's ready to go. So, so I'll get those ordered out, and yeah. All right, we'll see you next time.